guys, it's She. I'm back today with another video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm saying this from the beginning, but I need you guys' help. It will help me out so much, please. So in today's video, we're going to be doing my makeup and also doing a little chit chat. I literally just started my day. I think Oreo wants to be famous. Say hello. Hi, yo, baby. Hi, y'all. Anyway, guys, you stink. She stinks. She needs a bath. Anyway, guys, today's video, I am going to be doing my makeup and doing a little entrepreneurship chit chat. So I just got the shower. My day started today at 7 o'clock, and at 7 o'clock I got up, I checked my phone to see if my Facebook marketplace account had been reinstated, and it hadn't been, which is super unfortunate. But you know, that's why I wanted to do this makeup entrepreneurship chit chat video with you guys today, because for one, I feel like as a woman who's an entrepreneur, you definitely need to make sure you look your best. You never know what opportunities are going to present themselves. So I feel like just having a pulled together look, you know, that includes makeup is very important. I'm single, so, you know, okay, single, so, you know, you never know. I might be out and a handsome guy might try to make me his wife, you know, or I may be out and run into somebody in a store who may be needing some furniture painted, or maybe might want their house decorated. So I just always try to look my best, because you just never know what opportunities are going to present themselves. But in today's chit chat video, we're just going to be talking about the importance of creating your own platforms. Okay, I'm telling y'all, it dawned on me after hitting $10,000 in sales on Facebook Marketplace that I really need to be driving this traffic back to my website. Okay, I have a website, cozyinteriorsbyshe.com. I'm looking for makeup as we're chatting. Today I guess I'm going to be using this Il Makiage, and I will be doing a review on this for you guys very shortly. I fell victim to Instagram and Facebook ads, end up ordering this product, and I actually like it. So this is the foundation that I'm going to be using today. The color I'm using is 175. I woke up like this. Woo! So anyway, it dawned on me after doing over $10,000 in sales on Facebook Marketplace, using my drop shipping method. I had several ladies take this class with me. It was a class that I was developing, and they all, well, everyone but like one person. The one person, I don't think she actually tried it, and everybody else made money like the same day, next day. So anyway, I've been doing like a little hybrid version of drop shipping over on Facebook Marketplace, and I was able to make over $10,000 in revenue. Okay, just in 1 month. 1 month, baby, 1 month. Okay, so when I tell you I had Facebook Marketplace jumping, I had it jumping, y'all. And I started noticing little problems with Facebook Marketplace, and I'm telling you guys these things only not to deter somebody else from doing it, because listen, there's lots of money to be made over there. That platform is completely untapped. It's new. They're still developing it. So, you know, with anything new, it definitely has its kinks. And so that's what I started discovering. I was just like, wait a second, I'm shipping, you know, over 300 items. And yes, I had some repeat buyers, but I don't have a way to remarket to these clients again. You know, I don't have a place for them to go besides my marketplace platform for them to go and like reorder stuff. I don't have their email addresses. I don't have their phone numbers. And my Facebook Pixel hasn't captured any of their data. You know, I don't have data for running ads. And so I was literally telling my assistant this week, like, girl, I really need to get my website going. You know, I really feel like I would be able to scale and make more money if, you know, I had these same people purchasing from my website. So literally less than a week later, my Facebook Marketplace account gets shut down. And they said it got shut down for 2 violations. The first violation, they said I was selling an inauthentic item, which it was just a blue vintage tweed jacket. This is also by Il Makiage, okay? And the color is Fuck I'm Flawless. It's number 13. And this is just a concealer. So yeah. Guys, it literally takes me about maybe 20 to 30 minutes to do my makeup. So this is like my entrepreneur look, my everyday look. Stop, Oreo. Sometimes I do more or less. Right now I'm just blending this concealer under my eyes and on my chin. So to me, it makes my face look brighter. But anyway, guys, so I was just telling her I need my own platform again. Like, you have to have your own platform because that data is so valuable. You know, yes, I've made good money, but I don't have a way to keep making this money off of these people. You know, some of them may never shop on Marketplace again. And so it's important just to have their data in that pixel. And that's why I like Shopify, because it's just like you can easily, let me see if this will help. Never mind. But you can easily like retarget using like Facebook ads, Instagram ads. You know, Shopify has tools, but Facebook Marketplace, it hasn't been developed to that point yet. So you need your own space, right? Having an Instagram is nice. You know, they have Instagram shops now. They have Facebook shops. There's Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, eBay. There's all these different wonderful platforms that you can utilize. But the thing is, they aren't yours. They aren't yours. So Facebook is always rolling out these new policies and procedures, and you know, every time I get on Marketplace, there's something new that's being added. There's a new rule. I forgot to tell y'all the other violation. The other violation they said was they said I was selling an animal, and I wasn't selling an animal. I was trying to sell a mosaic, like fake cow skull with like mosaic glass on it. Like, so it wasn't an animal, but their system somehow flagged it as an animal. So boom, my Marketplace account is shut down. I have lots of orders pending that need to get shipped to customers. I can't print the label. You know, if anybody was to message me about their order saying, hey, what's up, I cannot even access their tracking information because all of it's in my Facebook Marketplace account, which is frozen. I have like $5,000 left to be paid out to me. I can't access that money. Now, granted, Facebook pays you out 5 days after the item is marked as delivered, and I don't even know if I can get my money. You know, their Facebook support is super unreliable. So once you start getting to the point where you're selling more than just a few items every day, you're selling dozens of items a week, you really need your own platform. And like this, I started to see that this was going to be a problem. You know, just them flagging certain items that really didn't go against their policies. I kind of realized this was going to be a problem, and I was just so busy with the day-to-day stuff, packing orders. This is a Milani Prep Set and Go. I'm going to try to link everything in the description box, guys. It may take me an hour or so, you know. I'm just working on getting content and then going on. And then I try to do like the description box later, which may not be the best thing, but at least I'm like posting videos again, you know. So I'm just putting this under my eyes and on my chin. That way this doesn't get like oily or whatever, because this Il Makiage foundation, to me, after a while my skin starts to get a little oily with it. So I just like more of a matte kind of look, at least start that way. Next, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty. This is the Kilowatt blush. I like blush, and I'm going to be using the Ginger Binge on my cheeks today. So anyway, guys, I knew that I needed my own platform, but I kind of just moved a little bit too late. So I got my website set up back in October. I created categories, and I started uploading products, but I never finished. And the reason why is because Marketplace just went crazy. Like between me selling my thrifted items and me drop shipping, I was just making so much money on Marketplace that I was like, I'll get back to my website, I'll get back to my website, I'll get back to my website, and just didn't. And so now that I'm kind of forced to get back into my website, I just really wanted to talk to you guys about the importance of that, because no one can shut your website down. Like, no one. Like, unless you severely violate something on Shopify, or you're selling counterfeit stuff and you get reported or something like that. Your website is your website, you know. No one can take that away from you. And even if your website does somehow get shut down, you can download a CSV file with all your customers' information, right? All that data, their age, their location, you know, their name, their phone number. Like, that data is yours. No one can take it from you. No one can take that data from you. And that data is just invaluable, because you can take that same CSV file and upload it into Facebook Ads Manager, and you can start a new website selling the same stuff, different name, and target those same people. Like, you know what I mean? So it's just super, super important. The other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is definitely customer service. Now, I quickly realized after owning e-commerce businesses for several years that I don't like dealing with customers. I don't. I like the selling part of dealing with customers. I'm really good at, you know, coming out with beautiful imagery that makes people want to buy. I'm really good at writing descriptions and borrowing descriptions from other people's websites, because sometimes you get stuck in a rut and just like, I mean, what can I say about this stupid golden tissue box? Like, you know, sometimes you get stuck. I have old glue on my lashes. Sometimes you get stuck like that and just don't know what to say. Like, you're just like, I don't know what to say. So there's nothing wrong with like Googling the same item that you're selling and then borrowing somebody else's description, especially if the product is very similar to what you're selling. It just makes sense to me. I don't try to reinvent the wheel. I just try to find smarter ways to work, and sometimes it's just smarter to sit there and borrow a description, you know. But I don't like doing customer service. I hate it, especially right now. Like, customers don't care that the post office, sorry guys, they don't care that the post office has budget cuts. They don't care. They just want the item to get to them. And so this is another complaint about Facebook Marketplace. They know that the they know that the post office is experiencing shortages and package delays, right? But their system still allows people to sit there and file disputes, even though I have no control over the fact that, one, Facebook's preferred method is using USPS, and two, the post office is experiencing delays. So it's not just affecting me as a seller, it's affecting everyone that relies on the post office to get their packages to wherever in time. I had people that pay for priority 2-day shipping, and the shit got there 3 weeks later, and it was nothing that I did. Like, I sent their item 2 days out after they ordered it, and it just magically showed up on their porch 3 days later. And I messaged Facebook support, and Facebook support is just like, we understand that there's going to be shipping delays. We're not holding it against you guys. But I'm just like, but that's not true, because I just sat up there and saw that you guys allowed this lady to file a purchase protection claim. I had mailed out 2 items. I mailed out one to her a week and a half ago. And then when she was complaining and calling me a scammer, I went ahead and mailed out a second one. So now 2 items are literally on the way to this lady. She promised to return one of them, which I kind of figured she was lying. So anyway, I done mailed out 2 items to this lady. At that point, totally have lost money on this sale. And then she files a claim with Facebook protection, and they give her money back. So it's just super unfortunate. you know, I don't like dealing with customers, especially when they're upset. Like, I just realized I have to hire somebody to do that like I did before, because I just don't like doing it. Like, I just get to the point where I be like, you know what, fuck you, bitch, because fuck you, I don't care. Like, that's how I be feeling. And I know that you can't talk to customers like that. I understand, like, you know, customers are the reason why I'm able to be in business and make money. And it's nice when you get those happy messages that are like, oh my god, I absolutely just love my item, like I'm so happy. Like, it's easy to deal with that, but it's much harder to deal with somebody yelling at you, calling you a scammer, you know, people filing disputes and being impatient, upset that tracking, you know what I mean? Like, that's just not my skill set. So when you get to a place in your business where you can afford to hire somebody to do the things that you are not strong at, it's best for you to do that, especially if you want your business to be successful. Like, you gotta hire people that are better at the things that you aren't good at. One, you're helping to create jobs for other people, and two, you're helping your business be more successful, because if you're not strong at something but you're doing it, you're not going to see as much success in it as you could, like, if you had a stronger person doing it for you. So anyway, guys, this is my makeup look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this little entrepreneurship chit chat. Leave some comments down below. How do you guys feel about providing customer service? Like, is it your strong suit, or do you think you will have to hire somebody? And then also let me know down below what type of businesses you ladies own and how is it doing during COVID. So anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. So anyway, how do you guys like my makeup look? I know the lighting is not the best. Let me get up. So anyway, guys, this is my final look. I don't have much going on today. I'm just going to go get an alignment for my car, and then I also wanted to do a thrift with me video, so I wanted to make sure I was cute for that. If you guys like this entrepreneurship and makeup chit chat video, make sure you leave me some topics down below for my video next week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.